Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we will solve some aptitude test related to Infosys certification examination, which will be in 2nd and 3rd of April. So hope you guys are preparing well. So do not waste much time, we will start solving questions. Okay friends, let's start. So let's start with this question. 10% of garments produced in a mill are found defective and 20% of the remaining are sold in a mill factory outlet. If the remaining 5040 garments are shipped to other retail store, the number of garments that were defective was. So let's start solving it. So you can pause the video and see the question. First you should try, then you can see the answer. So let's start. Initially, it is given in the question out of 100%, 10% are defective. So the remaining are 90%. And out of these 90%, 20% of the garments have been sold. So 20% of 90 is 18%. And the remaining out of 90% is 90 minus 18, that is 72%. And it is given that the remaining, that is 72%, is equal to 5040. So from here we can calculate 1%. And what is the value of 1% here? 5040 divided by 72, and after solving it we got the value 70. So if the value of 1% is 70 and our question says that the value of 10%, so the value of 10% will be 70 into 10, that is 700. So our answer will be 700 for this question. Hope guys you got it. The next question is, my age 3 year hence multiplied by 3, and from that subtracted 3 times my age 3 years ago will give you the exact age. How old am I? These are the options. You can pause the video and try to solve it. Okay friends, now we are going to solve it. So let us consider that the person's exact, that is present age, is x. Then the age before ago 3 years, x minus 3, 3 years less than the current age, and hence means after. So after 3 years his present age will be increased by 3, that is x plus 3. And in the question it is given that 3 times of age after 3 years, hence subtracted by 3 times the age 3 years ago is equal to his present age, that is x. So from here you can calculate it. You can take 3 as common, then x plus 3 minus x, minus minus plus 3, then x and x will get cancel out each other. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 into 3 18. From here you will get the person's current age, that is 18. Okay friends, I hope you get it. If you do not get it, you can watch the video again. Okay friends, let's move to another question. So our next question is this. Anil borrowed a total of $4,000 from two lenders with a simple interest at the rate of 5 and 7% respectively. If the total interest for 3 years was 696 US dollar, then how much did he borrowed from second lender, that is for 7%? These are the options. You can pause the video and solve the question. After that we will solve it. Okay friends, we will solve the question. So initially the amount was given as 4,000 and the interest were 5% and 7%. The time is 3 years and the interest is 696 US dollar. As you all know that the interest by first person and second person. Sum is given as 696. So I1 plus I2 is equal to 696 US dollar. And we know that the simple interest formula P into R into T upon 100, where P is principal amount, R is rate and T is time. So we will put the values. Let the amount given by first, that is 5%, is X, the rate and then time upon 100. Similarly, the amount that is left after X, total amount is 4000, then the amount that will be given by second lender is 4000 minus X, the interest rate and the time upon 100 is equal to 696. From here we will get 100 common and here we will multiply it, and after that we will solve. Each step has been solved for you. You can see the answer. So friends, we will got the value of X as 2400, and we have to find the amount by second lender, that is 7% interest. So the amount is 4000 minus X, 4000 minus 2400, that is 1600 US dollar. This is our required answer. We will move to our next question. You can see the question. You can pause the video and see it. The ink in the pen will last for 12 pages, where each page has 32 lines. This was the initial count, and the case second is how many pages will the half of the ink will last if there are 48 lines per page and there are now 20% less letters per line than in the earlier case. This is the second case. These are the options. You can pause the video and try to solve it. After that we will see the solution. Okay. So friends, I hope you got it. If not got, then see the solutions. So initially it was given the total pages are 12 and the line per pages are 32. So the total lines will be 12 into 32. And after that, in the second half, it is given that half of the ink has been used. So the remaining ink is 12 into 32 upon 2, that is 6 into 32. And after that it is given as line per pages in the second case 48, and it is given in the question that each line has 20% less, that is it will be 80, it will have 80% letters. So 80% is 80 upon 100, that is 4 by 5. So each line will have 48 into 4 by 5 letters. Okay, so from here we will divide total number of lines, that is 6 into 32, by total number of by line per pages, 48 into 4 by 5. From here we can see that 5 will be in denominator, and we will try to solve it. 48, 16 3s are 48 and 16 2s are 32 and 3 2s are 6, 2 into 2, 4 will get cancel out. We have only 5, so answer is 5 page. Okay friends, I hope you got it. So this is our next question related to time and work. You can see initially there were 20 men to do a certain task, out of which 1/3 scheduled time was over, and the work done for 1/3 time is 1 by 4. And then the question is how many more men should be now employed to complete the work in 3/4 of the original scheduled time. These are the options given below. You can see. You can pause the video and try to solve it. After that you will see the solution. So let's discuss the solution. This is the formula that we used for work and time related question. M1 D1 W2 is equal to M2 D2 W1. Here M is men, D is days, and W is work. So initially it was given that 20 men were there. So let us consider that X more men will be required. So men in second case will be 20 plus X. Initial time is given as D by 3. and initial work, that is W1, is given as 1 by 4, and work in second case is also given, that is W2, it is 3 by 4. And you can see here initial case d to d by 3, and after that we have to use 3/4 of the total work, and d by 3 work time has completed. So 3 by 4 d minus d by 3 is 5 by 12 of d. This is the value of d2. We will put here and try to solve it. D and D will get cancel out each other. 3 into 4, 12 into 12 cancel out each other. 5 4 is 20. 4 4 is 16 into 3 48 is equal to 20 plus x. From here you can get the value of x as 28. So this is our answer, that is 28 more men are required to complete that task in 3/4 of the time, 3/4 of the initial time. So hope friend you have enjoyed the video. Please do like, subscribe, comment. If you have any query, please comment in the comment section. Okay friends, thank you for watching the video.